Hello YouTube, this is Mr. Bakari, and today we are going to look at vector addition, subtraction, and scalar multiplication graphically as well as algebraically. So let's get started. Okay, so we are given three vectors here, x, y, and z, and they are shown on graph paper so that we can see their direction as well as their magnitude, their length. Okay? So we need to maintain direction and magnitude as we draw these over here on the right. And what we're asked to do is to take negative 2x plus 3z. So we're going to build new vectors by scaling, adding, and subtracting vectors. And in later videos, you'll see how this shows up in real-world application like forces and motion. Okay? All right. So let's start. And let's keep in mind that multiplying by a negative number flips the arrow to point the opposite way, and subtracting a vector is the same as adding its opposite. So if we subtract a vector, we will go the opposite direction of the vector as well. Okay? All right. So we want to start with negative 2x. And because x is being multiplied by a negative, we are going to go exactly the opposite direction of x. So I am going to draw x going the opposite way. So I'm looking at the change in x and the change in y of the vector, which is right 2 and up 3. So I'm going to go left 2 and down 3, just like that. Okay? And we want to place the tail of each new vector at the head of the previous. That's how we show this. So now I'm going to do another one, left 2, down 3, and that represents negative 2x. So I can come over here and label that negative 2x. Now I'm going to add 3z. So again, I'm going to place the tail of each new vector at the head of the previous. So here is 1z, 2z, and 3z. All right, and I will label that 3z. Okay, and now my resulting vector starts at the beginning and goes to the end. And I will label my resulting vector negative 2x plus 3z. And now we are done. Okay, let's look at another one. So here we've got the same three vectors, except now we're asked to take 4y, subtract 2z, and add x. So we're going to start with 4y. So we will maintain the exact same direction here, and I'm going to add 4y. All right, 2, 3, and I'll take the tail and add it to the previous head, just like that. Okay, and I'll label that 4y. And now I'm going to subtract 2z. So since I'm subtracting 2z, I'm going to go the opposite way with z. So that will look like this. Notice it's left 2 up 0, so I'm going to go right 2 up 0. So there's 1z, and here is 2z. So I'm going to label that 2z. Okay, this up here. And then last, we are going to add x. So it's addition. I'm going to take x and put it right here. And now my resulting vector is going to go from the start to the end, just like that. And I will label this as x, and my resulting vector is 4y minus 2z plus x. Okay? All right, now that we've shown this graphically, what we're going to do is we're going to do the same problems algebraically. And I've brought the two graphs over so we can look at them and we can compare our answers. So we will compare the resulting vector here to our component form once we are done. So we are first going to take negative 2x plus 3z, which was our first problem. And here are the component forms up above. You can see that they match x, y, and z over here. So we're first going to take negative 2, which is our scalar, and multiply it by x, which is 2 comma 3. And then we're going to add that to our scalar 3 and multiply that by z. All right. And now we are going to distribute our scale factors here. And that will give us negative 4 comma negative 6 plus negative 6 comma 0. All right. And then lastly, we will add these two vectors together. Negative 4 and negative 6 is negative 10, and negative 6 and 0 is negative 6. So our resulting vector is negative 10, negative 6. And if we come up here and look at our resulting vector here, you can see that we've gone over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they match. Okay? All right, now let's do the second one. All right. Our second problem was 4y minus 2z plus x. All right, so that's scalar 4 times y minus 2 times z plus x. All right, so I'm going to start by multiplying 4, multiplying negative 2, and we've got negative 4, positive 4, negative, 0, plus 2, 3. Okay? And now we combine the first two. Negative 4 and 4 is 0. Negative 4 and 0 is negative 4. Plus 2, 3. Okay? Combine the last two here. We've got 2 and negative 1. So our resulting vector is 2, negative 1. And if we come over here and go right 2 and down 1, we can see that that is our resulting vector as well. Okay? So that's it. Adding, subtracting, multiplying by scalars, algebraically and graphically. I hope this helps you out, and I will see you in the next video.